The release of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S10 would mark the 10th anniversary of the Galaxy flagship smartphones, and naturally, we are hoping that the Korean company will pack in something special inside the phone to commemorate a decade. Moreover, Samsung is known for introducing significant upgrades every 2 years, so the Galaxy S10 would come with a major specifications bump. If this leak turns out to be true, that might be the case. The various reports and rumors floating online are a bit overwhelming. The phone is expected to come with an all-screen display, an in-screen fingerprint sensor, and maybe even an under-display camera, although that seems too far from the truth. Now, according to an information from an analyst report, the Galaxy S10 will have up to 12GB of RAM. According to a memo coming from GF Securities, most 2019 flagship will come with a considerable amount of RAM. There were reportedly before Samsung Galaxy S10 variants including a 5G model, namely Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, S10X, and S10X 5G. According to a table shown in the memo, the Galaxy S10X 5G variant will have 12GB of RAM, while the Galaxy S10X will comes with 8GB of RAM. The same table also shows that the Huawei P30 will also have 12GB of RAM. The entry-level Samsung Galaxy S10 may come with just 4GB of RAM, and the Galaxy S10 Plus might ship with 6GB of memory. Xiaomi recently announced the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 Forbidden City Special Edition, which will have 10GB of RAM. But it seems unlikely that Samsung will actually put 12GB of RAM inside the Galaxy S10. For starters, the company just introduced 8GB of RAM with the Galaxy Note 9, and it is out of killer it for increase the RAM this quickly. Moreover, 12GB of RAM would be pretty useless, and it would also drive up the cost of the already expensive phone. However, given that the rollout of 5G is about to begin, most OEMs may go all out on specifications next year to leverage faster data speeds. So, do you think the top tier model of the Galaxy S10 would feed this much memory? So what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, peace out.